Hi guys, it's Jack here from Escapade 4x4. We've got a new Land Rover Defender 110 with us today. We're going to fit one of our roof racks and Discovery rooftop tents on top of it. So let's get started. So we've already got the tent mounted to the roof rack. It means we can speed up the fitting process when you come to get fitted. So the Discovery tent's mounted with our roof tent brackets, which goes onto the T-channels of the roof racks. This is great because it means you can mount all sorts on top of the roof rack after, such as a water tank. In this case, this customer's pre-ordered one of our 270-degree awnings and he's happy to come back at a later date. So when he comes back, we'll get it fitted and it'll be easy to fit with our T-track rails off the roof rack. All of our roof racks are powder coated aluminium, which means they're never going to corrode. One, because it's aluminium, and two, it's powder coated on top of that. I've had mine for 5 years and it doesn't look a day older than this. Also, the roof tent and the rack matches amazingly. That's because the tent also is powder coated, which means it's going to last, it's going to withstand anything you chuck at it. And really, if you spend good money on a roof tent, you want it to last, and I can almost guarantee that these will.
Hey Alfie, why do we use Loctite on the...
Well, no. We mainly use Loctite, so the product doesn't come loose. The reason is on these ones is we don't have nylock. We don't have nylock nuts. So just using some light Loctite just to ensure they don't come off.
So the beauty of fitting a roof rack onto this Defender is that we can go off the OEM rails, which makes it pretty straightforward for us. It means we don't have to modify the vehicle in any way. There's no holes drilled. We're literally just going off factory pickup points and making the rail fit. With it looking, I'd say pretty OEM once the rack's on. It's just good. It's you want the roof rack and tent combo to look perfect for the vehicle. You don't want it to look like someone's just gone and thrown something on there. This, you'll see the final result. It will look like it came out the showroom looking like this, or as it intended to. So as you can see, it's another day. It's mainly because Andy doesn't know how to plug in a cable for the microphone, but we'll let him slide. So as you saw, we did a handover training with the customer and he'll be back in a few weeks for his awning. So we do a handover training for every single customer because if you're unsure or you just want to familiarise yourself with the tent, with some little helpful tips for opening and closing it, we're always there to help. We do that with everyone and we're quite a chatty bunch, so we like to hear about what trips you got going on or future plans, other modifications to the vehicle. We just chat quite a lot, to be honest. So other new things, we've got our new website coming out, and on there you should be able to book a demo with us. So for now it'll be on all of our vehicles outside, but we're very slowly working on the showroom. So you can come down on any day, look at all three tents next to each other, feel them, lie in them, open them, close them. So we're going to try and do a few more videos sort of like this, different roof tents, different vehicles. Maybe we'll do some videos on the vehicles that we're working on personally. So different Land Rovers and overland builds in general using our products. But let us know what you want to see and we'll try and see what we can do. But hopefully make it a bit interesting, but also a little bit fun. So if you do want to see those videos, like and subscribe and chat to us in the comments and give us some video suggestions for the future. Thank you very much.